Welcome. You're at 3300 Pebblebrook, Unit 90. Great view of the swimming pool. Today they're doing spring make ready. This unit features 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, dining area, kitchen, granite countertops, beautiful wood cabinets, includes the washer and dryer, spacious pantry, stainless Frigidaire, refrigerator, all electric stove. Microwave does not work. It will need to be replaced, and you're purchasing this unit for $99,999, being sold as is. In the bedroom, the HOA came and replaced the air conditioner and had to cut ceiling holes to run the new refrigerant lines to the air conditioner. Guest bath straight across. From guest bedroom. Primary bedroom, very spacious. And it's full bath. Granite countertops again, replaced tile. Approximately 9 years ago. And nice spacious walk-in closet. And again, this price is $99,999, lowest price on the market. And this is another little error from the HOA that the seller hasn't patched. This unit can be yours. Make an appointment today.